Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing great in your life. So, actually, it is the morning view, and you can see the rays of the sun clearly. Definitely, it's looking very good. We can get energy. So, actually, right now, atmosphere is very cool because it is the morning time, so we can get fresh air. It's really very beneficial for our health, for our mind. So it's good if we try to cultivate such a good habit within ourselves. It's really very beneficial for all of us. Actually, there is road also behind this wall, and right now I am on the school playground. So view is looking very good for me. Actually, behind me, there is a forest also, and lots of monkeys are jumping right now on the trees, and I can hear the sound of the words. They are chirping right now. I can hear the sound clearly. Actually, there is not so much noise and disturbance. So definitely there is not, I can say there is not so much noise and pollution here because there are lots of trees. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So because there are lots of greenery, so there is, I can say, there is not so much pollution here. So right now you can see behind me the mango tree. During the rainy season we can see here lots of mangoes. So actually behind me there is a forest and lots of species of birds and animals are here. The view is definitely looking very good. So thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, have a great day.